All right, today we're going to do some air filter stuff. So these are 3 air filters. I have no idea what kind of oil was used on them. Doesn't really matter, but we're going to show you a trick today. OxiClean, hot water. If you don't have air filter cleaning stuff, and I know Dawn dish soap works, but this works really good too. Put it in there, get you a whisk. Stir it up, throw them in. Do some of that motion. Let them soak for a bit. Let them soak for a little bit, and then we'll be back with part 2.